ụmụ ibe ekene m ụnụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo nwanne ụnụ nwoke nọ nso ekene ụnụ. A sị m na ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ na mma n'ụbọchị nke taata na anyị nwawo ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo na-ekene ụnụ. Nwanne m nwoke, ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma ike, ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Anyị nwawo ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo ndị si n'eluigwe gbadata. Anyị nwawo ndị agha na-ekwu bụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo ndị si n'eluigwe wee bịa. Anyị si na ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ na mma n'ụbọchị nke taata bụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. Ụnụ amara ihe ụnụ bụ. Ndozi ọdịnala Igbo bụ ndị ekweghị ka ihere mee nna ha. Afụnụbeghị ma onye bekee ma onye China na-eso usoro ndị ojii. Afụghabeghị ma onye bekee ma onye China na-eso usoro ndị ojii. Mana ị ga-afụ onye ojii proudly before his own eyes call his brothers enemy, simple because his brother says that their ancestors is the truth and the light. I will tell you that the ancestors remain the truth and the life. I will tell you. Ụmụ ibe, as we are saying, ndozi ọdịnala Igbo bụ those people say na ihere agaghị eme nne ha na nna ha who brought them to life. Shame will not catch them. You proudly rejected the only thing that will make you human being. In life, I will tell you, just listen very carefully. In life, we have mind, body, spirit, and the soul. Let me tell you how you can never see light. Now, listen very carefully. I will continue telling you this until your brain begin to reason. Brain, reason. Now, mind, for the mind is your ancestors. Once you rejected your ancestors, you have no mind. What if anything you like you do, you have no mind. The body you have is your mother's body. The spirit you have is your father's body. Then the soul is you. You only have soul. But once your father rejected his own ancestors, your father live without mind. And this father that live without mind will come and invade you, the soul. And the father will come from above to come and rescue that soul. That is where the civil war happens. In Agota. That is why they say in Greek they have wars. In Igbo they have wars. Yoruba they have wars. Always, this is why they say the Jew killed Christ. This is the two wars of the ancestors and your father. And you call it civil war in heaven. Onye ọbụla reject the ancestor enweghị mind. That is why you use that your belief system as everything, because you have no mind. That is why anytime people talk about that your religion, you become so aggressive, because that is the only thing you have. That's why you say only Christ is my savior. That's why you say only this is my savior. Only this is my savior. The only savior is the mind, but you don't have it. Because your father already betrayed his own father. And this father gave birth to you. Then for the punishment of betraying his own father in the Garden of Eden, then the ancestors said, "You gotta have a home." Obon na yono, oboron na yono, na ya we muzie gi. Obun na gi bu datin mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ka ọ na-aghọ. Ọ nna gị, ọ sị na ọ wiri aja na garị. Mpa gị wiri mpa ya aja na garị, ancestor ya aja na garị, ancestor wiri mpa gị aja na mmanya. Mpa gị wiri ancestor aja na garị, ancestor wiri mpa gị aja na mmanya. That's it. There is war. And the ebe ọgụ ha na-eme, where the war is happening is in your body. That is why you see ihe ọbụla itiri aka ọ naghị aga aga. Anything, no success, no progress, no relationship, no health, and no fortune. You ask yourself why? The problem is because your father betrayed Your father betrays. Why your father is answering John Michael? Is John Michael his own father's ancestor's name? Why is your father answering Ben Johnson, Ben, Israel? Is that your ancestor's name? Ask your father the question, not me. And you see, in our land today, 90% of the youth, they have no job. They have no future. You don't know why this thing is happening. The only thing is that know thyself and know thy angel guidance. Ndị Igbo nwere ihe a na-akpọ onye ụwa. Ndị Igbo nwere ihe a na-akpọ onye ụwa. Gịnị bụ onye ụwa? Onwe gị, ya bụ onwe gị na. That is onwe gị. Onye ụwa gị, onye nwe gị. Onye ụwa gị bụ onye nwe gị. Period. Kedu onye aha bụ onye nwe gị? Kedu onye aha bụ onye nwe gị? Who is that? Onye nwe gị. Nwanne nwa m ịbụ onwe onye. Nwa onye ka ị bụ. Onye nwe gị. Onye nwe ihe a. That is it. Ọ ihe unu buru tụfuo. Ije buru ihe apịrị apị. Na-enweghị power. Lifeless something. Now, ka nye example. Ọsọ na-achụ gị. Asị ọsọ chụwa nwata ọnaba ikwu nne ya. Ọsọ na-achụ gị. Ị gbara naba west. Instead of you to call your own father, ancestors, to run towards your own savior. Ka ihe si na ndị Igbo ji na mgbe ndị ochie ọ na-eme ọwụ na ihe siri ike ma ọ bụ a na-emegbu ga-emegbu Igbo aje na arụsị. All those things, these are nothing but myth. You cannot understand ordinary myth. Kedu ihe mere a ji si onwe onye a na-emegbu ọ bụla jebe na arụsị? Kedu ihe bụ arụsị? You don't know what is arụsị. That's why you saying that. Because now look, your ancestors, I don't care if they are in the church, they have already betrayed. Killing goat and fowl is a betrayal of ancestors. They have lost before they enter slavery. There is lost before slavery, because before ndị ụka bịa, before the church came, you were wandering in the wilderness. That's why you enter the church. As in a freedom, somebody be free, a free mind can never be enslaved. You cannot enslave a free mind, never. So those people already wandering, they have betrayed the ancestors through the desire. They already betrayed the ancestors. So what you see today, you think that is ordinary nomenal Igbo. That is a betrayal also. Because our ancestors, they engrave image. They don't grave image for worship. They engrave image for object. It's artwork. It's artwork, my people. It's art. It's graving image. It's art. Just like telephone, just like motor. It's artwork with information. It's an object. You take this object and you say, this object is my ancestors. How can you have picture today, photo in your house, hang on the wall. How can this picture on the wall become somebody? It's picture, simple. So those art you see is nothing but images of people. It's a representative of image. They are not gods. No gods. They are image. Atụrụ kpuru isi. Atụrụ kpuru isi simple means atụrụ bụ ndị nwere isi ọma. Atụrụ means onye enweghị mpi, onye amara ihe ọjọọ. Then but he is blind means ignorant. Means ignorance, period. Atụrụ kpuru isi means ignorance, because atụrụ bụ onye ezigbo mmadụ. But he is ignorant. That's all. So anyị tinyere these things, we put them that way, because now I tell these people this thing, they will not believe it. That's why we give them that. They choose by themselves to carry these things. They choose to carry it because normally these are mythology they use to teach children. Ke hi ga-agwa obere nwa na school. There is nothing you will tell a child. So we use this thing to educate a child. Just the same way we talk about Lion King, movie of Lion King. You know, Lion King means monarch. Lion King means monarch because lion eze ụmụ anụmanụ. Lion bụ eze ụmụ anụmanụ. Ọ na-enwe eze. Ọ naghị enwe eze. Because ụmụ anụmanụ anaghị enwe eze. So mmadụ na-enwe eze. Isi gị Igbo na-enwe eze. Because every 4 years, this government you see every 4 years, Igbo founded it. Government of every 4 years, Igbo founded it. Okay? Onye, Afọ, Nkwo. That's why you see the politics always every 4 years then change. You got to go. So Igbo founded this things, you see. But today now, people just come, begin to do anyhow. Look, unless you know this thing, you can never elevate them. And if you don't elevate them, it will be very difficult for the world to represent you, because you cannot do what you don't know. Come and explain yourself in public, what you understand. That's all. Prove yourself who you are. Prove who you are. There is nothing hidden there. Ndị Igbo nwere ntọala Igbo. Anyị nwere ntọala. If you don't know this thing, you are simple ogbanje. Because anything ọbụla ifuru n'ụwa is raw. And everything raw must be extracted, purified. Everything. So as long as you don't have them, onye ụwa gị, chi ụwa gị, as all of you know it, chi ụwa simple means guiding angel. Is guidance not compass? Is it not compass that guide plane? Is it not compass that guide ship? So if you don't have them, you are nothing but blind, whether you have money or not. Your ancestors have them for you, then kept them for you. But you chose on other things. You choose something else. You love killing goat. You love killing fowl. You love going to church. You love going here. So that's why you are wandering. Not because of your ancestors don't love you. All of you going to kill goat. Why? Because you want money, fraud money. You want money from back. You are not killing the goat because you want to be good. You are not killing the fowl because you want to be good. No, because you want money. That's all. So you don't come to Ordinary Igbo to make money. No. You come here for purification. Ordinary Igbo is holy of holies. Ordinary Igbo is unification of the goodness, good ones. What about Igbo ewu no? Don't come here to bu ewu no. If you want wealth, go and look for wealth. Here, we want the Holy Communion. Ordinary Igbo is Holy Communion. Stop this rubbish. It's nothing but Holy Communion. It's Obakonde Diaso. This is the message from the beginning till now until tomorrow. So everybody should know that. So you cannot just go and telling people, okay, look, today in our land, millions of our people want this Ordinary Igbo. But simple because of this evil. Because all of them think that the Ordinary Igbo is about ritual, ogu, killing goat, killing fowl. They are confused. They are confused. Simple because you don't want any four. It's only four. Only four things. We just packing everything. Only four. Eke, Onye, Afọ, Nkwo. That is why we pack everything. One lanya sweet. Chingom nwa baby simple means sweet desire. Ihe na atụtọ na egbu egbu. Fancy means fancy. Sweet. Chingom nwa baby means idol. Not all those things. You understand them for what they are. Understand their meanings for what they are. You don't just to use your culture for merry-merries. No. The meaning is more important. It's not about the meat. The meat remains. It doesn't stop. That is information. It's okay. But understanding of this meat makes you knowledge is knowledgeable. Understanding the meat is more knowledgeable than doing the meat. Are you telling me that in the 24th century we cannot be able to celebrate no one single culture? And you are telling me that you know what you are doing. One single culture you cannot celebrate. You know what you are doing. One single culture you can celebrate. Not Africa. All the whole Africa. All the whole Africa. Tell me one single culture. Then celebrate. All of them run Christmas. Then run Christmas. Then run Easter. Nwa bekee. Christmas, nwa bekee. Education, nwa bekee. Government, nwa bekee. Everything, nwa bekee. And you turn back and say, they deceive us, they fool us, they exploit us, they do this. But everything you do under them, and you turn back and say, then deceive you. How can they deceive you? You betray yourself, my brother. You betray yourself. Everything is simple. Amigwe surpass everything. Amigwe surpass everything. You in the verse, universe, Amigwe universe, you in the verse, so that you don't go contrary to the tide. They are telling you about the moving tide. You don't go contrary to. You must stay in the line. I am your mind. I am your mind. Thou shalt not have any mind except me. Thou shalt not have any God except me. Or meaning. Thou shalt not have any mind except me. I am you. I created you because the mind created. I mind you. I extract you from this public world. Where they say colonization means colon. Ebe nsisi aga. Ebe nsisi aga with true spirit. Nse must pass through spirit to the better world. But ọwụrụ na inyochie nsi ụzọ nwanne ị ga-ezu echiche ma ị gafebe. That is why they extract you, purify you, so that you can be able to pass this tunnel. Ebe nsisi aga. To pass the tunnel, you throw away that purification. So where they you have moto ga atogo. Moto ga atogo. Samson akpụrụ ya isi before egbuo ya. Ka ma ekpo isi n'isi gaghị egbu nwunye. Ọwụ na anapụghị gị that brain, that mind, enweghị a ga-emenwu gị. Because mind is everything. Everything pass through mind. If you have your mind, no Jupiter on this earth will ever do you anything. Nothing will ever happen to you because you are a child of the Creator who were created in the power and in the garden of the wilderness, the garden of the holiness. But unfortunately, he threw away these things. Gaburi happened from the west. Oruhurugi, ipuzo, because I told you, unless you understand how you took this idol, you started the idol worship. Our ancestors created this object. They made this object for purposes. All these things you see in our land today, they are chinde mmadụ. They are chinde mmadụ ndị lelochi. Hello CH desa, una see all your ancestors. Your ancestors. How can your ancestors, you in the back, plane na-arụ arụ on na gị? Plane, moto, telephone, TV on na gị. Mind nna gị bụ datin nna gị. Kedu ihe mere ha ji wee were ihe apịrị apị desa n'obodo oyibo? Because they don't want ha mana hapụrụ gị etufuo ya. If they leave it for you, you throw it away. So they need it to educate the future scientists. How that they say everybody safe. Because nwatakịrị ha amaghị onye akwụ n'azụ amaghị n'izere ara ahụ. Ịghọtago? The only way for you forward, there is no other way. Ọkwefuru that ihe kpọrọ mbụrụpụta ụwa. Ọkwefuru ihe kpọrọ onye ụwa. Ọkwefuru ihe mkpọchi ụwa. You must know them. If you don't know them, ihe a bụ Igbo ka asụ. Ọ bụrụ igbu ewu, or if you like you gbuo ewu niile n'ụwa, your problem will persist. If you like igbuo ọkụkọ niile n'ụwa, your problem insist. If you like were ọjị nzu nọ n'ụwa niile kakpọ ya takpọ ha niile, your problem will continue. Because it's about success, it's about progress, it's about relation, it's about health, it's about fortune. Unless you know these things, nwanne, you won't be naga. Because one will say it in your own meat. Onye ụwa. Compass. Yes. Because it's your spiritual guide or your angel of guide. You say it or not me. Onye ụwa bụ gịnị? Your ancestors who came, your father or your mother or your grandfather. You said it. Only thing with the understanding of it. Anyị nwa ndị ndozi ọdịnala ji ebe a. Ị ga-aga akwụkwọ, ị gasị akwụkwọ, ị graduate ye, ije bibere onwe ndụ gị. If you like, you come to ndozi ọdịnala. If you like, you don't come. It's not our concern. But ị ga school. Ma ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịpụ ndụ, ị chọrọ ịpụ ndụ, you must go there. O nweghị ihe ije, dị ụka mmụọ ị na-eje ụka, mmụọ evil na-abịa n'ala Igbo. Because mmụọ ị na-eje ụka, more evil. Because they will tell you, it's a choice. It's a choice. Yes, it's a choice. But how is your life? Is your choice, is your choice. Everybody, it's a choice. Yes. What is your condition? They will try to make it as if you are fighting with somebody. It's a free world. Go to Saudi Arabia and build church. Go to Europe and build mosque. That guy in Europe. You got to go where? If you get make it. Since in the Ugu, Rubara mosque. Since you are, go to Ugu and see. India won't na-aṅụ mmanụ. Ha na-aṅụ mmanụ every day. Ha na-ere barrels of oil, barrels upon barrels. Go to Yemen. Yemen na-aṅụ mmanụ. Go there. Go to Mauritania. Go there. Mmadụ ibu ihe apịrị apị bụ the worst thing that can ever happen to you. Carry this idol. Idol worship is the most dangerous something on earth. Now they want to use that same name as if this name religion is evil. No. Idol worship is evil. Because not religion is a contest. It's a content. Not about what you do. It's simple a language. It is a language. So it understands language and content. So our people will just come because you matter about media. They will just bring one subject, one polemic, put it there. Everybody will begin to talk nonsense. 20 people will talk different thing in one thing. You got to go. Simple. 20 people, one thing. Everybody come see everything. So that you can stay away from there. If you stay away from these things, they are fact. If you close your eyes, you will not see anything. Close your eyes, you will not see anything. Why did you dream at night? Why you never dream at daytime? Why when you sleep at daytime, you don't dream as you sleep, you dream at night? The night dream is more scary than daydream. Why is night dream is more scary than daydream? Why is children always afraid of darkness? Why? Until you know these things, you know that is there is, and there will ever be a possessed spirit on earth. There is and will ever be. Because in the beginning, there was chaos. In the beginning, there was chaos. Until you remember this, the beginning there was chaos. You see your father, you are 7 in number. You are 8 in number. You are 9 in number. You are 10 in number. Go to Igbo land. Go to Igbo land. Go to Opiweka. Go to Opiweka and see yourself. Use your own family. How many people in your family are progress? How many people in your own family, blood family, are progress? How many? Even a one family or Onye, they will turn everybody will say Onye na agwo ogwu ego, oji umunne egworo ogwu ego. Oya mere ke Onye anunwa ji akwụkwọ bread. They want to use it, for example. They want to use that person not because he is not rich, but they want to use it to show you something. There is nothing new. Film, you are watching a movie. This movie have a producer. They have actor. They practice this movie before they shoot it. But once you're watching the movie, you see it as a reality. It's happening now. It's not happening now. That movie is not happening live. That movie, we are written, we are documented, and act and shoot. They are shooting movie. Not the same day they are shooting movie, they recorded the movie, or they write the movie, or they act the movie. All this thing took a very long time before they execute the action. Mbaga act there, it was a action, action, action. The movie is going indirect. So everything you see in life is not really happening. This is just message so that the newcomers we understand where they are. But it's unfortunate the newcomers don't even know where they are, talk less of where they are going. If you check what happened in 67, immediately you declare secession. You were invaded, and after invasion, civil war happened. na nke mbụ ka ọ na nke mbụ, nke abụọ, nke atọ, ihe atọ: secession, invasion, civil war. Otu, abụọ, atọ, na nke ịtọ ka ihe na atọ. Life is not a joke. Life is a training ground. O ebe a na-choose, we are choosing. Imirikiti ka akpọrọ ma one ka ahọtara. Is a choosing ground. Ebe a na-agba choosing. Ịghọtago? Mgbe a na-asị aji ịgba bọọlụ eje screening. So a nọ screening ebe a. Ịghọtago? So people not here for screening. They must eat to have energy. Ịghọ onye iberibe, ewere gị ọgwụ. Ịghọtago? Ewere gị mekwa ndị dị serious na-arụ ọrụ. Ịghọtara? Nwa bekee gaa n'Africa, ha buru ego, ọ gaa na West. Ọ gaa na West, o were that money. Ndị bụ ụnụ mara mmiri bịa, a na-akwụ ha ụgwọ. Debe ha na họteelụ, gwọọ ha ọrịa. O were data ego ha niile wee mesara aka. Here. Ịbịazi na-asị, why kwana if bekee, if I tell you, don't do fraud to get money. You telling me it doesn't matter, the goal is the matter. What about this capitalist? You are a child, you are a kid. You are just a kid. You are a kid. Ask yourself, where did you came from? Your village, you don't have road. And how years have you done the fraud? How many years have you done the fraud? Your village, you don't have road. So you don't have sense. And you are telling me that a man, Europe, with a master plan of a place is doing fraud. You said so. Then you are telling me that then go to your village. You have done the fraud all your life. Go to your village. Nwabeke, you are giving an example. Go to their village. Go. Then do fraud and you come and then took you from water and they rescue you from sea and then put you in a house and then pay you. And you say they do fraud. And you who do the fraud, go and tell me your land, your country, how many people you rescue from sea, how many medical facility, how many pregnant women you are paying. Your governor is paying 500 naira for women. 500 naira. That's why you see criminals, they always want to use curry way to defend their own stupidity, even they are the one who will suffer. Because their mind will judge them forever. Guiltiness will remain inside your heart forever and ever. Guiltiness will rest on your conscience forever. Stop fooling yourself. Ị ga-aka nka akwụna n'ebe akwa nwa n'ụla nka o. Akwụna n'ebe akwa nwa n'ụla nka o. Akwụna n'ebe akwa nwa n'ụla nka o. Ị ga-aka nka fụ ihe mere onwe gị. Ka ị hụrụ that man you abandoned. That man you abandoned. That man will make sure that you don't have any progress. You can never have, if only that is simple truth. That is fact. You are seeing it. No progress in your land. Go there. You must go to Abuja to survive. You must go to Lagos to survive. See them everywhere. Then go to Europe. Nowhere. Go to Asia. No way. Go to America. No way. Ị na-aga ka onye ozu a na-akwa ha akwa. Na-agagịrị a wanderer. Na-agagịrị ka ozu a na-akwa gị akwa. Enweghị ebe ọ na-eje. Ụmụ nwaanyị ga-eju na Facebook. So kedisi when did the Igbo people want to marry, then go for 4 days. Ịmara ụlọ. So chere ndị Igbo ama ha na-arụ ọtụ. Do you think that Igbo people don't? So nweghị mgbe ị ga-aragide ọtụ rata nwe love. It's impossible. Ọsọ gị rie ya ọtụ, ọsọ gị ṅụọ ya amụ, ị gaghị arata nwe love dị. Ihe ị ga-arata nwe bụ akwụna maka na akwụna mụta nwa akwụna ka ọ ga-abụ. Akwụna mụta nwa akwụna ka ọ ga-abụ. Man shall not live by the bread alone. Ihe ọ sọrọ gị gbagharịba na unu na-achọ ebe unu ga-amụta ka esi ara ka raba ya ịrasịa ya yuma gị face mmiri dọrọ na ejidọrọ nwa nkịta. Ama igwe ezi omume ezu n'ori agba na ama oge ịfụnanya. If you fail it, ihe ọ sọrọ gị raa, your husband will cheat you, your wife will cheat you. More you practice, more cheating. More practice, more cheating. Because that is fact. If you want to go for relationship, you bring value. Value we need for in relationship, not to now. What is your value? What are you bringing? Ị gara ije asa na-eje ije dị. Anyị anwụnye ya ọkụkọ nnekwu. Ọkụkọ nnekwu asị ihe onye iro na-ajụ onye mụrụ ọmụmụ si na onweghị akụ na ụba. Ihe onye iro na-ajụ onye mụrụ ọmụmụ si na onweghị akụ na ụba. Nwanne ọkụkọ Igbo nnekwu nwere ibe nrụba ama ọ na-achọ ego anyị ji wee nye ya nwaanyị ahụ. Anyị nyere ya ikwe wee nye ya aka ọdụ. Enwere ihe anyị ji nye ya ikwe na aka ọdụ ka ọ sụbara m ya, ka ọ sụba ya asụba. Ihe a bụ ihe eji asụ nri ka ọ dị soft, ka o mee that man akụ na ụba ya ka o nwee isi. E wee sị gị behind any successful man, man must be success before he bring wife. He must be so. They say behind any successful man. They did not say behind every useless man. They never say behind any useless man. No, they say behind any successful man there is a woman. So nwaanyị ga-eji ikwe na aka ọdụ wee mezie ọfụma, mezie akụ na ụba ya ọfụma, o wee baa uru. Ọsụọ ya ọbaa uru, ọsụsịa ya ọbaa uru. Ifuru ka o si sụọ ya ọbaa uru. Ọ wụghị ịnọkọta nnọọ na-akọtu. Onye ọbụla chọziri ịmụta ka esi ara. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ịmụta ka esi. Nsogbu adịghị. This is how you go into ịṅụ ahịa, ịṅụ mkpụrụ mmiri na ndị otie. See your life. Prostitute na-eche unu. Become prostitute, amụrọba, fraudster, ka ihe fọrọ. What left in the destruction of the kingdom? What left in destruction? Drug addict, fraudster, now prostitution. Every nwaanyị anyị niile na Facebook ha jụziri amụ na ọtụ. Onye ọbụla bụzi, they want to make money. Everybody become a witchcraft. Everybody become ndị mmiri na ndị amamihe na-akọ. Because everybody want money, easy money. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ego. That is how you know extinction of a race. That is a destructive race. That is how you know. Oh, to akigesi amaha. They never pursue any meaningful desire. No, destructive, evil desire, evil passion, witchcraft, demonology, black magic. That is what you know about destructive race. N'ime obodo Sodom, n'ime obodo Sodom, n'ime obodo Sodom, onye dị nsọ dị n'anya. Obodo Sodom and Gomorrah, all you naturally breed. Ị na-ebepụ ndị mmadụ isi in the open ground. Drug, prostitution, not even exporting in your own land. Everybody want to make a husband love him. So ndị Igbo si na agwa bụ mma nwaanyị. Anyị amaghị ihe agwa bụ nwaanyị mba. Agba abụrụzi mma nwaanyị, no prostitute. Show your husband the prostitution, he will love you. Yes, show your husband the prostitution. Go see a dog style, a monkey style, he will love you. A generation of failure. Generation of failure. All of them were trained in church. All of them were born and trained in church. All of them. All. Now, after they go there, they are disappointed. And then bring this disappointment into the kingdom of the holiness. They brought this thing home to roast. Yes. After they learned this nonsense from there. They went and eat poison. Adam na Eve. Eve got more poison. Bute nya Adam orie. That is it. Again. Now, after what they have, they tell us to nwa ahịa ka iwe nwee ike charge ka ira 2 hours. Ndị be anya ba na ọhịa aja. Asị nwa mkpụrụ mmiri na 2 hours. Ebe ị na-ara. Nsogbu adịghị nke ahụ agwụbeghị. Now the next stage nke this one now. Ị ga-esi n'okwu ire anya n'okwu, ire anya na akara anya na ntị anya n'isi. Ke wee pụọ ndụ. Agwa bụ mma nwaanyị. Agwa bụ mma nwaanyị. Iwepụ agwa, onwekwe ihe dị n'ime. Iwepụ agwa, onwe ihe dị n'ime. Nwoke na-akpa nkụ. Nwoke bụ nkụ. Nkụ bụ nwa nwoke. Nkụ abụrụ ego. Nkụ iji efe efe. Gịnị bụ nkụ? Success, progress. Success and progress. Ọ ya bụ nkụ nwoke ji efe. Egbe bere ugo bere nkesi ibe ya ebe na nkụ kwa ọkụkọ nkụ gwara na efe efe. nwoke a niile unu bụ agbagharị bụ ọkụkọ nkukwara enweghị ebe ha na-eje. Nwoke a niile unu na-ebu nkukwara ha enweghị ebe ha na-eje. Their mind is not there. Their mind is not there. Their mind has been taken away from them. That is why they are shining with paper. Si na akwụkwọ bread ego. Nwanne, there is no way. Nekwa anya ka ngwọrọ unu ya. Onye ụwa, because ihe mere na ama ekwu eji ekwu okwu a, nkwuwe na next thing ha ejebe igbu ọkụkọ. Echiro ya na-ekwu maka ya. Onye bara na ha ekwu akpa okwu afa. Ntị ha onye ụwa na next thing efu ebe ha na-eje egbu ọkụkọ because their brain is dead. Their brain anwụọ na pee ọ nyụrụ ka ọkụ. So ikwu onye ụwa kwuo ichi ụwa now. The next thing onye ịmara ndị smart people ka claim on ya ama ihe. O jesi na azụ gbuo owu na ọkụkọ. Cheno ya bụ ihe aka na-ekwu. Ọ bụrụ ya. Ịghọtago? Mburuputa ụwa ga onye ụwa ga na-ekwu okwu ya bụ your ancestors. Ịghọtago? It's talking about the mind. Ihe ha bụrụ ihe ụmụazị. Ọ bụrụ okwu ụmụazị. Ọ ihe ị ga-eme imesi pụọ ndụ. Ọwụ na ọ dịrị izi otu ahụ nwe onye karịa ịghọ ahịa. Tati ebe a pụọ. Ọ dịrị izi onwe onye karịa ịghọ ahịa. Sọsọ ndị ahụ anyị mawụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo kwere ihe otu kwuru anyị ga-enye ihe. Mana ọkwa na ị chọrọ iwere ya n'ụdị nke gị nsogbu adịghị. Next year go and register for school, you pay your money, ego gị gburie. I will teach you. Ego gị gburie, we teach you. Ịbụrụ onye otu anyị nwanne. And ọkwa ha na-ebịakwa n'ime ndozi ọdịnala ịbụrụ onye otu anyị mba. You must stay 5 years na ndozi ọdịnala before you have it. Ka anyị wee mara na ịma ihe na ma ọ bụ ga-enye gị akwụkwọ iwe jesebe ochi ugwube ndị mmadụ wayo. Mba no, mana ọ bụrụ otu a ka esi eme. So ụmụ ibe, ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma anyị ga-ewetokwa n'okwu nyere taa. Anyị agbago mbọ anyị ga-ewetara nsogbu mbọ ọbụla everyday mbọsị anyị na-enweghị ike nsogbu adịghị mana ụbọchị niile anyị ga-ewetara unu ozi ọma. Know thyself. Ị ga-amarịrị onye ụwa gị onye ịbụ onye nwe gị. Onwe gị, you must know ndozi ọdịnala never for that. That is why we are here. Next year ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị na-ebido to know thyself. Ndị ndozi ọdịnala don't worry. Akara aka gị iwe anyị kwa ya ịbịara ị ga-ama ya. Because anyị na nwa anyị ekwugo na ụnụ nwa na ogun bụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala ndị ọrụ already ewego n'ọrụ. So hapụ anyị na-ekwu okwu akara aka hapụgodi ka enyegodi ndị bịara abịa. Anyị nwa bụ ndị na-asa afụ ma nsabasị ka anyị bụ ịghọtago o ruo na oge nke unu ga-enweta ịghọtara. So nke ha bụ nso ka ghara ịbụ na asị a ga-enye ndị outside enyebe ha anyị mba a ga-enye unu don't worry. Ka anyị sabụgodi the visitors ịghọtara. So ị mara onye ụwa gị ị mara mburuputa ụwa gị ị mara chi ụwa gị. Ọ ihe a bụ ihe a na-ekwu maka akara aka. Ihe a na-ekwu maka akara aka. That's all. Nothing more, nothing else. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị enekwaghị enwe aka ọrụ. Ị nakwaghị enwe aka ọrụ nwanne because ị ga-agbagide odibo n'ụwa agwụ. Onye na-amaghị ebe o si abịa because onwe gị bụ ebe isi abịa. Onwe gị bụ ebe isi abịa. Akara aka gị ga-edukwe gị. Akara aka onye dubenu yo ma nke ndubenu mo. So ụmụ ibe asị m na ọ ga-adịrị na mma.